Hello everyone! Welcome to Weekly Ad Circular Channel. Today we have very great deals of the Target. Prices are valid February 13 to February 19. Let's get started. Select Tide, Tide Pods, or Gain Flings laundry detergent, $19.99. Select Glad trash bags, $11.29. Select Downy fabric softener or Bounce Mega dryer sheets, $11.99. Select Cascade ActionPacs dishwasher detergent, $18.99. Swiffer WetJet multi-surface starter kit, $24.99. Select Everspring cleaning spray, Up and Up cutlery, Bounce dryer sheets and Reynolds Wrap, under $5. Select Ziploc bags, Up and Up trash bags, Finish Jet dry rinse aid and dude wipe, under $10. Select Clorox disinfecting wipes, $4.49. Microban 50 NAS, 24-hour sanitizing spray, $5.99. Select Febreze fabric refresher, $5.99. Purex 150 Oz, laundry detergent, $8.69. Select Honey Pot pads, $7.99. Select Honey Pot feminine wash, $8.99. Select Up and Up allergy relief nasal spray, $17.19. Select Smartly items, 99¢. Wild Fable women's sweatshirt and French terry joggers, starting at $15. Universal thread and a New Day women's sweatshirts and joggers, starting at $20. A New Day women's short sleeve t-shirts, $5. Universal thread women's skinny jeans, $19.99. Goodfellow and Co. Men's Lindale t-shirt, $6. Goodfellow and Co. Men's long sleeve jersey Henley t-shirt, $14.99. Goodfellow and Co. Men's long sleeve textured crewneck or Henley t-shirt, $16.99. Goodfellow and Co. Men's straight fit jeans, $20. Goodfellow and Co. Men's ultra soft fleece sweatshirt, starting at $15. Goodfellow and Co. Men's ultra soft fleece joggers, $20. Goodfellow and Co. Men's jeans, $20. LOL Surprise, OMG Fashion Doll, $21.99. 05 Surprise Disney Mini Brands, Series 1 or Collector's Case, $7.99 and $12.99. Funko Pop, Disney the Proud Family Minifigure, $11.99. Funko Pop, Disney the Proud Family Mini Backpack, $29.99. Disney the Proud Family Kids Short Sleeve Graphic T-Shirt, $8.99. DualSense PS5 Wireless Controller, $74.99. Oculus Quest 2 Carrying Case or Elite Strap, $49. Oculus Quest 2 128GB Advanced All-in-One Virtual Reality Headset, $299. Select video games, $24.99 and $29.99. Horizon Forbidden West, $59.99 and $69.99. Duracell Copper Top AA20PK, batteries, $18.29. Skullcandy Jib True Wireless Headphones, $26.99. Samsung Galaxy A12 Prepaid Phone, $99.99. Samsung Galaxy S21 FE 5G Unlocked Phone, $699.99. TCL 50-inch Roku Smart 4K UD HDR TV, $329.99. Westinghouse 55-inch Roku Smart 4K UHD HDR TV, $399.99. Samsung 55-inch Smart 4K UHD HDR TV, $499.99. Fujifilm Instax Mini 40 Instant Camera, $89.99. TurboTax Deluxe 2021 Federal and State Tax Software, $49.99. TurboTax Premier 2021 Federal and State Tax Software, $79.99. Seagate 2TB One-Touch Slim Portable External Hard Drive, $66.99. HP DeskJet 3755 Compact All-in-One Wireless Printer, $99.99. LG 27 Full HD IPS Computer Monitor, $169.99. Dirt Double Scorpion Plus Boost Bundle Corded Hand Vacuum, $39.99. Dirt Double Vibe with Handheld Vacuum, $39.99. Dirt Double Endura Pro Pet Bagless Upright Vacuum, $79.99. Shark Pet Cordless Stick Vacuum, $229.99. Bissell Pro Heat 2X Revolution Pet Pro Plus Carpet Cleaner, $278.99. Mr. Coffee Carafe Programmable Coffee Maker, $44.99. Keurig K Classic Single Serve Coffee Maker, $109.99. Oster 2-in-1 Blender System with Blend and Go Cup and 6-cup jar, $44.99. SodaStream Terra Sparkling Water Maker, $79.99. Power XL Vortex 3 QT Air Fryer, $59.99. Power XL Grill Air Fryer Combo, $129.99. Cuisinart 14 PC Stainless Steel Cookware Set, $159.99. Ninja Foodie 11 PC Non-Stick Cookware Set, $199.99. Good & Gather Chopped Salad Kit, $2.99. Sea Cuisine Frozen Fish, $6.99. Good & Gather 16 oz. Frozen Large Tail-on, Peeled and Deveined Cooked Shrimp, $6.99. Coke, Canada Dry, Dr. Pepper and More 12-pack soda, 3 for $14. Aquafina 24-pack bottled water, 2 for $10. La Croix 8-pack sparkling water, 2 for $7. Bird's Eye Voila, 42 oz. Family size frozen meals, $7.29. Select Nature Valley bars, 2 for $5. Skippy 40 oz. Peanut butter, $5.39. Sargento cheese slices, $2.49. Good & Gather 8 oz. Uncured turkey bacon, $3.59. Select 6-pack craft beer, $8.99. Doritos, Cheetos, Lay's, and Tostitos chips, 2 for $6. Dot 16 oz. Pretzels, $5.49. Goldfish cartons, $6.49. Select Easter Starburst jelly beans, 3 for $8. Select Easter packaged chocolate candy, 3 for $10. Pete's ground or whole bean coffee, $8.99. Green Mountain and the original Donut Shop 24 CT. Single serve coffee pods, $12.99. Chobani Core, Flip, Hint, and Zero Sugar Single Serve Greek Yogurt, 10 for $10. Noosa 8 oz. Yogurt, $1.69. GT's 16 oz. Kombucha, $2.99. Tropicana 52 oz orange juice, 2 for $7. Fresh 1-pound strawberries, 2 for $5. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, and for more videos, please like and subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to get new video updates.